Good morning, students. Today we discuss the 8th lesson in our 10th class physics textbook, chemical bonding. In this lesson, now we discuss the valence bond theory and hybridization of atomic orbitals. Valence bond theory and hybridization of atomic orbitals. We know the atomic number of beryllium is atomic. For example, BeCl2. For example, formation of BeCl2 molecule. Formation of BeCl2 molecule. We know atomic number of beryllium is 4. Its electronic combination 1s2, 2s2. Beryllium has 2 valence electrons. If beryllium loss of these 2 electrons, it become a nearest inert gas helium. So nearest inert gas helium electronic configuration, that is a duplet rule. We know except helium, the remaining all inert gases contain 8 electrons in its valence shell. That is called octet rule or octet configuration. Here beryllium donate or transfer a loss of 2 electrons, it become a nearest inert gas helium. Okay, we know that is the ionic bond. Transfer of electrons between 2 atoms. Each chlorine atom gain of 1 electron from beryllium. That is the ionic bond. In the case of the covalent bond, BeCl2, beryllium share the 2 electrons with 2 chlorine atoms. Each chlorine atoms. Beryllium donate 2 electrons. Both chlorine atoms also donate 1 electron. These electrons are shared by beryllium and chlorine atoms. Atomic number of beryllium Be. Atomic number of beryllium is 4. Its electronic configuration we know 1s2, 2s2. So this is the general electronic configuration of beryllium atom 1s2, 2s2. The electronic configuration of beryllium in its excited state. Electronic configuration of beryllium is in the excited state of beryllium. The electronic configuration of beryllium is beryllium. This is the normal general electronic configuration. In excited state, the electronic configuration of beryllium is atomic number 4. Electronic configuration 1s2. This is the K shell. 1 K shell. 2s second shell, valence shell, second shell. 2s1 and 2px1. So the electronic configuration of beryllium in excited state is 1s2, 2s1 and 2px1. Electronic configuration of chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 70. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3px2, 3py2, 3pz1. So electronic configuration of another chlorine atom also 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz1. So here in excited state, beryllium contain 2 unpaired electrons each in 2s1 and 2px1 orbitals. These 2 orbitals having the equal energy because these 2 orbitals are present in same main shell, that is second shell. Here chlorine atom also contain one unpaired electron. Chlorine atom also contain one unpaired electron in 2pz orbital. Sorry, 3pz orbital. So both chlorine atoms contain one unpaired electron each in 3pz orbital. 3pz orbital. 3pz orbital. So the 2s1 orbital is overlap with the 3pz orbital of one chlorine atom. So 2px orbital is overlap with the another 3pz orbital of one chlorine atom, and 2s1 orbital of beryllium atom is overlap with the another 3pz orbital of chlorine atom. Here sigma 2s orbital, this is the 2s orbital, overlap with the 3pz orbital of one chlorine atom. 3pz orbital of one chlorine atom. So sigma, this is a sigma bond, this is a one covalent bond, single covalent bond. So 2s orbital of beryllium atom overlap with the 3pz orbital of one chlorine atom. P orbital of one chlorine atom. This is the one covalent bond. This is the one covalent bond. And again next 2p orbital of, that is the 2px orbital of beryllium atom. 2px orbital of beryllium atom is overlap with the 3pz orbital of second chlorine atom or another chlorine atom. This is the another covalent bond. There are two sigma and two covalent bonds are present in BeCl2 molecule. BeCl2 molecule. This is the 1s2 2s2 is the normal general electronic configuration of beryllium atom. Here in excited state of beryllium atom, its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1 and 2px1. This is called the hybridization of atomic orbitals. This is valence bond theory. Hybridization of atomic orbital. This hybridization of atomic orbitals are introduced by Pauling. Introduced by Pauling in 1931. Introduced by Pauling in 1931. What is meant by hybridization? Hybridization is a phenomenon of atomic orbitals having the same present in the same main valence shell of atomic orbital, valence shell of atoms. Hybridization is a phenomenon. The redistribution and reshuffling of atomic orbitals having the same main shell or having the same main shell and the same energy of the same atom. Redistribution, reshuffling of electrons from one orbital to another orbital. In the case of beryllium, one electron from 1s to one electron goes from 1s to 2px orbital. This is the redistribution or reshuffling of atomic orbitals. These atomic orbitals belong into the same main shell, that is the second shell. Same main shell, and having these both s and p are having the same or equal energy and equal shape. The redistribution or reshuffling of electrons from the same main shell of atomic orbital of an atom It is called hybridization. It is called hybridization. This is the here. This is the beryllium atom. This is the beryllium atom. After redistribution, reshuffling of electrons from 2s orbital to 2px orbital in beryllium atom. This is the 1 3pz. This is the 1 3pz of chlorine atom. 3pz of chlorine atom. This is the another 3pz of another or second chlorine atom. Second chlorine atom. This is the end on end overlap. That's why end on end overlap. We indicate this sigma symbol. We indicate this sigma symbol. All of you students take your textbook. Take your textbook. Page number 173. Page number 173. Page number 173. In page number 173, hybridization. You see, okay. Okay, formation of BeCl2, beryllium chloride molecule. Formation of page number 172, formation of beryllium chloride molecule. Okay, beryllium has electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. We know 1s2 2s2. That is the general electronic configuration of beryllium atom. It has no unpaired electrons. In this state, it has no unpaired electrons. No unpaired electrons. It is expected not form covalent bonds. We expected beryllium not to form covalent bonds, but it forms two covalent bonds. But beryllium forms two covalent bonds. Two covalent bonds. Single covalent bond, single covalent bond. Both are sigma bonds, strong bonds. Two covalent bonds, each with two chlorine atoms. Two chlorine atoms. To explain this, an excited state is an excited state. The electronic configuration of beryllium is. It is suggested by beryllium in which an electron transfer from or redistribute from 2s orbital to 2px orbital. Electron from 2s to shift to from 2s shift to 2px orbital or level. 2px orbital or level. Electronic configuration of beryllium in excited state is 1s2 2s2 2s1 2px1 2px1. Okay, electronic configuration of chlorine we know 1s2 2s2 2p 1s2 2s2 2p6 3px2 3py2 and 3pz1. Each chlorine atom has one unpaired electron in 3pz orbitals. 3pz orbitals. If beryllium forms two covalent bonds, with two chlorine atoms, one bond should be sigma 2s 3p. Sigma 2s 3p. Sigma 2s here 3p. Sigma 2s 3p. Here 2p 3p. 2p 3p. Okay. So it should be sigma 2s 3p due to the overlap of 2s orbital of beryllium. The 3pz orbital of one chlorine atom and the other bond should be sigma 2p 3p. This is the second bond. Sigma 2p 3p. 2p is the orbital of beryllium and 3p is the 3pz orbital of another chlorine atom. Another chlorine atom. Okay, here the orbitals overlapping are different. Orbitals overlapping are different. Here 2s orbital overlap with 2p. 2px orbital. Here 2px orbital overlap with 3pz orbital. Orbital overlapping different, but both orbital having the same strength or equal strength. But both bonds are the same strength and BeCl2 having the bond angle 180 degrees. BeCl2 having the beryllium, the central atom Cl having 180 degrees. This is the bond angle of beryllium atom. That is the bond angle of beryllium atom. Okay, to explain the distribution of like this phenomenon called hybridization. This phenomenon is called hybridization of atomic orbitals, proposed by Linus Pauling 1931. Hybridization, most important student. Hybridization is a phenomenon. Hybridization is a phenomenon of intermixing of atomic orbitals. of intermixing of atomic orbitals of almost having equal energy. Almost having equal energy. 2s 2px having equal energy because the both orbitals are present in second shell, second valence shell, which are present in the outer shell of the same atom, outer shell of the atom. In beryllium, outer shell is second shell, and the reshuffling or redistribution of electrons, from 2s to 2px in beryllium atom. Reshuffling redistribution into the same number of orbitals, These are two orbitals, 2s to 2px. 2s to 2px orbitals belongs to second shell, second valence shell, but with equal properties like energy and shape. But equal properties like shape and energy. This is the end-on-end bond. This is the sigma bond and strong bond. And strong bond contain bond angle 180 degree. Contain bond angle 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay. So beryllium atom in excited state allows its 2s orbital and 2p z orbital, which contain unpaired electrons, to intermix and redistribute the two identical orbitals. As per Hund's rule, each orbital get one electron. 2s orbital contain one electron, unpaired electron. 3pz of chlorine atom also contain one unpaired electron. Get one electron. The new orbitals based on the types of orbitals that have undergone hybridization are called sp orbitals. sp orbitals. S orbital, p orbital, p orbital, p orbital. This is the sp overlap. This is the sp overlap orbitals. This is the sp orbital. The two sp orbitals of beryllium get separated by in beryllium sp, s orbital is beryllium sp sigma bond p, single bond p. This is a s orbital overlap with p orbital of one chlorine atom. Again p orbital overlap with the pz orbital of another chlorine atom. The new orbitals based on the type of orbitals having undergone hybridization are called sp orbitals. The two sp orbitals of the beryllium get separated by 180 degrees. Now each chlorine atom comes with its 3pz orbital and overlap its sp orbital. Each 3pz orbitals of chlorine atom overlap with the sp orbitals of beryllium atom and forming two identical beryllium chloride bonds. That is sigma sp single bond p, sigma sp single bond p that contain 180 degrees bond angle. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. We discuss the formation of beryllium boron trifluoride molecule. Okay, thank you.